Port natuurlijk. Baie dankie. Julle was 'n ongelooflike gehoor. Goeienaand.
And now the end is near, and so I face the final curtain. My friends, I'll say it clear, I'll state my case, of which I'm certain.
I've lived a life that's full. I've traveled each and every highway, but more, much more than this, I did it my way. Charlize, kom verhoog toe asseblief.
Regrets,
Kom ons gee vir Charlize 'n groot klap.
but then again, too few to mention. I did what I had to do and saw it through without exemption.
I planned each charted course, each careful step along the byway, but much more than this, I did it my way.
Yes, there were times I'm sure you knew
when I bit off more than I could chew.
But through it all, when thou wast out, I ate it up and spat it out. I faced it all, and I stood tall.
I've loved to cry, I've had my fill, my share of losing.
And now, as tears subside, I find it all so amusing
To think I did all that, and may I say, not in a shy way. Oh no, not me. I did it my way. For what is a man? What has he got?
If not himself, then he has not
To say the things,
to say the things
he truly feels, and not the words of what he needs. The record shows I took the blow. But much more than this, we did it our way. Bye, dankie.
Hilariously funny, saam met net 'n musikaliteit wat mens net van Kevin Leo kan verwag.
Jesus, dit was onverwags.
Ja.
It's a perfecte mixture. They actually got it. They did it their way, you know, like
it was surprising. It was actually a surprise geweest om te sien dat hulle actually het kon regkry.
Ek het dit baie natuurlijk gevind, die humor tussen die twee ook.
Dit is ongelooflik uniek. Ek het ook nooit aan daai prinsip gedink nie en Jackie is nogal baie skerp in sekere tipe dinge en ek dink dit werk baie great en ek sal enige tyd hierdie show aanbeveel vir enigiemand wat wil kom kyk.
Veel lekker.